Here it is, the letter M, but this M can transform into an elephant. Hey, all the peanuts are gone from the peanut field. Who could have took them? It's now nighttime and we're watching the peanut field. It's a herd of the letter M transformers. Of course, elephants love peanuts. This must be where all the elephants came from. That must be all the peanuts that they stole. Hold it right there, you elephants! You caught us. You might have to return all the stolen peanuts. Okay. All the peanuts have been returned. Thanks to you. Well, bye-bye now. Hee hee.